Good morning. How are you? Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. What is today? It's Thursday, and it's March 8th, 2012. Salud. Oh, that is some good coffee. Second cup already. I woke up this morning, I think 3:45. Is that right? Oh my goodness. And I woke up sneezing. If you hear someone sneeze or cough, they are not asleep. I figured that out today. So I am hyperallergenic. That's not good. But the dust will be settling today, and that is good. Before we get into our forecast, let's go out in space. This is yesterday. This is the sun. Actually, the sun is behind this disk. The disk is over the sun, so we can see what's going on with the corona. And it's a coronal mass ejection yesterday, hurtling in space towards the Earth, and actually hit us, starting to affect us now. So what will this solar flare mean for Earth? Let's check out spaceweather.com to find out. A coronal mass ejection, CME, hit Earth's magnetic field on March 8th around 1100 Universal Time, which would be, we're at 7, we're -7. So you'd subtract, that's 4 o'clock in the morning here in Arizona, so just an hour ago. And it's too soon to say what kind of geomagnetic storm the impact might provoke. High latitude sky watchers should be on alert for auroras. Well, we're not high latitude, so we're probably not going to see any of this. Look how pretty that is. This was shores of Lake Superior yesterday from a smaller solar flare that happened the day before. But this is a bigger one. So they're saying this solar flare, this is kind of a picture of it here, is big enough to possibly affect satellites. They if you have to fly today, sorry about that. Some extra radiation out there. They advise against flying today. And let's see what else. If you're an astronaut, maybe you don't take a spacewalk today. Just stay inside the space station. That would probably be good. So solar flare going on. So if your GPS is acting up, or you can't make a phone call, or your computer reboots, or you crash your car, you have an excuse. Solar flare. Weather-wise, here are the numbers from yesterday. 65 was our high. It was a windy day, and dust in the morning, and you could hardly see the mountains because of the dust, and it was just kind of, it got better as the day went on. Actually kind of refreshingly cool in the afternoon. I kind of enjoyed the temperatures, and the gusty winds in the afternoon were not so bad, but the morning was kind of brutal. Our average high 72, so we were below average. And 51 was our start to the day because the wind overnight kept the temperature up, and then that cold air moved in behind the front, so keeping us cool throughout the day. And let's see, we're almost 2 inches below average for rainfall now. Come on, let's get some rain. Well, there's none in the forecast. It's going to be a beautiful day today. It is cold out there now, but getting up to 64 this afternoon without the wind and lots of sunshine. This is my pick of the day right here today. 44 tonight. Tomorrow the wind is back, gusting over 35 miles an hour perhaps at times, and 68 for a high, so still getting a little warmer. Breezy overnight Friday night, but wind's relaxing by Saturday. Here's another nice day. Saturday, sunny and 70, and then upper 70s Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So getting back to well, spring is all over the map, but it's going to be really nice if you like warm weather starting late in the weekend into next week. Temperatures out there right now are cold. Look at all the 20s on the map, and it's 30 right now. Bisbee Douglas International Airport. This is 5 o'clock in the morning, by the way, because I got up early today. Nogales Airport at 28 right now, 37 at the Tucson International Airport. Here's a 34 Marana, and Casa Grande at 43 right now. Zooming in, a few more temperatures maybe. Here's a 35 in Benson, kind of cold. Upper 30s across the metro. Here's a 27 between Catalina and Oracle. And the metro. Oh, look at this, 17 at Summer Haven. That's nice. 37 in the foothills, mid-30s. And again, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. So we have another hour or two where temperatures can drop. So some of the, if you're near a wash or some of the low-lying drainage areas where the cold air likes to sink, you may get down to freezing this morning, even in town. Here's what's going on in the region. Our upper level low that was in Utah yesterday has kind of sunk into the Four Corners region, now really centered over northwestern New Mexico. And this is bringing wind and snow to Albuquerque by tonight. Rain today, snow tonight. Same for Lubbock, Texas. Thunderstorm chances are kind of gone for today, but they could see some snow tonight in Lubbock. Both Albuquerque and Lubbock not expecting any accumulations, but under a ½ inch possible is what they're saying. So here's the low that's moving out. So our winds are relaxing as it gets further away from us, but we're on the cold side of the low, so we're going to stay chilly today, and then our slow warming trend starts. Actually, it won't be that slow once we hit the weekend. Temperatures will take off. What's going on across the country? Well, again, we got rain changing to snow, Albuquerque to Lubbock today. Out ahead of it, here's our severe threat, slight severe threat for basically the hill country into East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Tennessee, and sweet home Alabama. And then we have some snow across the northern tier, and a little bit of rain here starting to affect northwest Washington. Storms Prediction Center shows our slight risk of severe weather here, the bullseye from East Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. Memphis getting some storms right now. If we can see the overview, it's not going to show us the overview. Oh, that is the overview. Well, never mind. And then the convective outlooks, and here are the watches. No watches in effect, so that's good. Here's your forecast, Tucson. Sunshine, refreshingly cool after a cold start this morning. 64 this afternoon, very nice. 44 tonight. Tomorrow, windy again. Yeah, sorry. 68 for a high. Wind is gone, though, by Saturday. Sunny, 70. Very nice. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 70s with sunshine. Enjoy. And remember, if anything goes wrong today, you can blame it on the solar flare. Thanks for tuning in. Coffee and a Forecast for this Thursday. Friday Eve makes the weekend seem closer. And don't forget to check out the website TucsonWeather.us and all the other places on social media that you can find us. I'm sure you can figure it out if you haven't already, and probably have already. And I'm rambling, so I'm done. See you tomorrow.